Hi, everybody. This is Panina, and I'm just doing an experiment here with Zoom, doing late live Facebook Live. And I wanted to come to you and use this opportunity while I'm experimenting with using Zoom to do a Facebook Live to share with you about a really exciting new webinar that I'm going to be doing. Because right now it's all the rage to do videos. Everybody is doing videos, and there's good reason why. People are very visual today. People are looking for videos. They're looking to connect. Words don't connect the same way a person in front of you connects. And so everybody is using the medium of video in order to be able to share with their audience, what they're doing. The problem is, and I've watched hundreds of hours of these videos, and some are a whole lot better than others. But as a person who basically makes my living doing public speaking, I have seen that there are a lot of mistakes that people are making that reveal an awful lot about what's going on inside their head. Now, if you know anything about me, you know that the thing that I coach on, the thing that I teach on, the thing that I talk about the most is about what's going on inside of our head. Why do we do the things that we do? The thing is that whatever is going on inside of your head, it comes through in your video. It comes through in your speaking. And so I'm going to be doing a webinar next Thursday. It's going to be in the morning on the East Coast of the United States. It'll be in the afternoon to evening in Israel. But I'm going to do a webinar on the 5 mistakes that you're making in your videos and how to prevent it, and or how to fix them, how to change them, how not to make them. If you're about to start doing videos, you want to do this webinar because you don't want to make these mistakes. And if you're already doing videos, there's a tremendous amount that you can learn from this webinar. And then obviously you'll have the opportunity, if you want to do more, have one-on-one guidance. I'm happy to I'm putting together some packages to work with people to make sure that they're getting their message out there without allowing all of the stuff that's going on inside here to interfere with the message that they're trying to put out. And so that's part of what we're going to talk about. It's not just like, oh, you're making too many ums and uhs. We're going to talk about the things that you're doing that make it very clear what you actually think about who you are, and exercises to help you fix that, and how to be able to have absolutely tremendously amazing videos that show who you are, what you have to offer to the world, to put your true self out there in the best possible light. So join me next Thursday morning if you're on the East Coast of the United States, evening if you're in Israel, and I'll post the link below if you are interested in finding out more information about this class on how to avoid making or to fix the mistakes that you are making in your video presentations, in your Facebook Lives and stuff like that. Just go ahead and either like this post, like this video, or just like comment in there, I'm interested, let me know. And that way, when I post the link, you'll get an update. So definitely do notifications so that you can follow what's going on this thread. And I can't wait to see you next Thursday. I am looking forward to working with you and to helping you to put your best foot forward and to present yourself as the amazing person that you are. All right, guys, I'll see you later.